Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen T5, the Beast Key Fob. This is the Volkswagen T5 transporter here, the Beast. And before we get started, there's a link above now about the fuse box locations and how to check the fuses on this van. Now if the battery gets low in your key fob, you might not be able to remotely open the doors. So it's important to replace the battery every couple of years. This is the VW T5 Key Fob here. Just flip the key out first, and then on the back you've just got this cover. You can literally just pull this off, and there is the battery there. So just take a small flat bladed screwdriver, and at the end just push it inwards against the springs and it will just pop out. And there we go. Now this battery is a CR2032, which is a very common type of battery. Now I got a whole pack of these from a hardware shop, but my recommendation would be to get a good quality battery. It's not worth buying cheap batteries. They won't last as long, and also they could leak. So get a good quality battery, then take your key, and what you're doing is you're putting it in from the end of the key and pushing it inwards against those two springs there. And there we go, the battery is in. Now just put the cover on and just squeeze it tight. Whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above now about how to reset the service light on the Volkswagen T5. Now we just need to test that the key is working with the new battery. Definitely is, I've just heard it unlock. So now let's just climb into the van and we just go for a lovely quick drive. And whilst I'm going for a quick drive, there's a link above now about the OBD2 diagnostic port location. This is where you can read or reset any error codes. Right, I've loaded up the van with all my surf gear and the waves are pumping, so let's get down the beach and catch some waves. Say I'm completely nuts. If you would like more videos on how to save you time and money, then please press the subscribe button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.